a new stock suggestion, Mednow. Mednow, my new stock suggestion. Hope you're all having a great day. Hope you're having a great morning. And the market is going to be opening shortly. And I wanted to go live to you to talk to you about my new stock suggestion, Mednow, MNOW, on the Toronto Stock Venture Exchange. You guys all ready for a big day? Exciting day. A lot of exciting things happening in the markets. And we love to sit here and tell you guys about companies that I believe are undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed. This is one of those companies, in my opinion, that has tremendous potential. And we love to bring you winners first. We love to bring you companies that we consider undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed. And what I want to do today is we're going to talk about that. And we're going to talk about companies that I think have, like I said, incredible potential. And we believe that this one does. Now, let me just get into this. I'm going to show you guys why. So here we go. So right here's the price. So you can see that when these guys opened up, they actually opened up at 556. Look at this. They opened up at 556, like day one, 556. Since then, they've been trending down, right? Trending down from 556 all the way to 295, which what we consider the low, and 556 is what we would call the high. So whenever I'm looking at a chart, I'm always identifying the high, the low, and where are we in the zone. So finished yesterday at 325, been as low as 295, been as high as 556. That's the chart, okay? The chart tells you one story. But let's look in the deal. Let's look at the deal. Let's talk about the company. What is going to be the catalyst to take this higher? Why would it go higher? Will it go higher? And why? These are the things that I need to figure out. You need to figure it. As a community, we need to figure out. So let's figure it out. Let's try to figure it out. So here's Mednow. And you can go to their website, Mednow.ca. It looks like this. Mednow.ca. All your pharmacy needs delivered. Switch to Mednow Pharmacy today. So this is a pretty interesting company. I think everybody should put it on their watch list. Everybody should put it on the radar. Like I said, they're just getting started. They've come from 550 to a low of 295, which so far is the best entry point. And their website is Mednow.ca. Getting started with Mednow is easy, quick, and secure, online or by phone. Always free delivery, same day in the GTA, Greater Toronto Area, and GVA, Greater Vancouver Area. 1 to 3 days for the rest of Ontario and British Columbia. So pretty cool. Pretty cool delivery. And this is something that's needed in 2021 when people are at home more than ever. Pharmacy support anywhere, anytime, a pharmacy and medical clinic in your pocket. That's right. A pharmacy and medical clinic in your pocket. Fully accredited pharmacy and trusted by the Ontario College of Pharmacists, accreditation, and College of Pharmacists of British Columbia. Over-delivering on all of your pharmacy needs. And what are customers saying about Mednow? This company is amazing, impressed by the convenience, easy, convenient, and helpful service. So you can read what people are saying about Mednow. So we're going to get into all the meat and potatoes of this, and we're going to get into the investor presentation and really break this down. So all your pharmacy needs delivered. Mednow aims to become a household name by improving healthcare access through best-in-class service, proprietary technology, and enhanced delivery. So Mednow is looking to provide patient access via a user-friendly app, website, and call center. So imagine all your pharmacy needs over your phone, website, or an app. Simple. They want to have national pharmacy offering to provide access to virtual healthcare professionals. The future of medicine is Mednow. Hey, Georgie, how you doing? I wish you a wonderful day too, my friend. Thank you for being a part of the trading club. I really appreciate you, my friend. And Mednow is looking to deliver best-in-class pharmacy services from experienced founders. And I've actually interviewed the CEO. Stay tuned to that interview. Should be coming out soon. Patients see their community pharmacists up to 10 times more frequently than they see their family therapists. 50% of Canadians with chronic illness do not take medications as prescribed. 2/3 of Canadians over the age of 65 take more than 3 medications a day. So this is a large, addressable, and untapped market. Pretty huge, guys. Like, these guys are bringing the pharmacy to your home, bringing the pharmacy to your phone, bringing the pharmacy to your computer, bringing your pharmacy to your app. Despite a Canadian landscape with over 10,500 patients, management has identified less than 10 pharmacies that are on online delivery-based business model. I love telemedicine. I've told you guys that I've been a big fan of telemedicine, and I've been bringing you telemedicine deals for a couple of years now. I believe telemedicine is the future. I did bring you guys T-Doc first. I did a video on Well Health last week. I've talked to you guys about Doc, which has been up huge since we first started talking about it at 50 cents. And it's been as high as $3, currently around $2 now. And the healthcare market is $264 billion market, $2 billion telemedicine market, and $47 billion pharmacy market. Huge, huge, huge. Despite a Canadian landscape with over 10,500 pharmacies, management has identified that less than 10 pharmacies that are an online delivery-based business model. That's right. So out of 10,500 pharmacies in Canada, there's less than 10 that are online delivery-based business model. And now you've got Mednow. Telemedicine is expected to grow by 64% year over year. That's enormous growth, enormous growth. Hi, how you doing? Hope you guys are all having a great day. If you guys have any questions, please put it in the chat. If you guys like these videos, please smash the like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere, and subscribe if you're live. If you guys would like to learn more about Rich TV Live, the best way to do it is to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell for notifications. Every time we go live, every time we have news, you will know first, okay? Now, the other thing I want to let you guys know is that Rich TV Live is strictly for information and education purposes, okay? When we do these videos, I'm not trying to tell you to buy the stock. What we're trying to do is educate the public, let you know about the company. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the company, contact me. And as a community, let's come to a consensus and let's talk about it. The whole idea about Rich TV Live is to create intelligent discussions about different companies and then look at them, watch them, try to identify the low lows. Oh, wow, it's already up. Surprise, surprise. Look at this. It's already up. Okay, so Mednow is already up, currently at 335, up 3%. Let's just look at the one-day chart. And you can see it's already up 3%. And yeah, 335 up 3%. So pretty nice. I guess the chart hasn't caught up. But based on what I see here, it's already traded 102,000 shares. Or is that 102 shares? Might be 102 shares, but it does show that it's up slightly here. So that's a good start to the day. Mind you, it's only a little bit of shares. All right. So Mednow seeks to affect disruption in the healthcare market as the sectors of grocery, restaurant, and transportation have experienced from on-demand technology-powered companies. Dehan says, just started to sign up for this now. Was pleasant to find, easy to sign up, good on the company to make sign up easy, and website is friendly. Hey, thank you for your feedback. I appreciate that. Stock symbol US one more time, please. Stock symbol in Canada is MNOW. I'm not aware if they have a US symbol yet, but if I find out, I'll definitely let you know. These are the founders and management. This is Karim Nassar, the MBA Chief Executive Officer and co-founder of the company. And I have interviewed Karim, and he will be on our show. Stay tuned to that interview. Should be coming out shortly. You can see Ali Rehani, director and co-founder, Joshua Lebovich, the chief financial officer, and Felipe Campasano, director and co-founder. And you can read about their experiences. These guys are very experienced in the fields that they have been in previously. So they're coming with a strong track record. This is their team of advisors. So you can see their advisors, board of directors, so very experienced board. And let's look at their infrastructure that has been established, accelerated development in 2020 to service the rapid adoption of digital healthcare in Canada. Now I'm going to go through some of their news as well. This is their website. Just don't take our word for it. Simplifying the pharmacy experience as the healthcare industry evolves. B&M Bloomberg talking about Mednow, Daily Hive, and Yahoo. Pharmacy reinvented. See a doctor. PillSmart. Carry. Switch to Mednow. Okay. Let's switch to Mednow. There you go. This is the Mednow. Welcome to the Mednow Pharmacy. Enter in your mobile phone number to receive your secure validation code. So that's all you got to do to get started, guys. Very, very simple. Anybody can do it. And there's all their contact information. And if we go and click on their services, you can see your new pharmacy, your online doctor, PillSmart, and Carry. Accurately dispense your medication with the touch of a button. So everything is really simple, easy to use. You can see how Mednow works. Welcome to Canada's online pharmacy, delivering anywhere for free. That's a game changer. Delivering anywhere for free. So you can get started over the phone, you can get free delivery and pharmacist support, all with Mednow. How Mednow works: free prescription delivery from Mednow Pharmacy. There are no hidden costs, and you won't pay more than your current pharmacy. Our pharmacists and doctors are always available and happy to help. So that's the thing you're thinking about is, okay, let's say I use these guys. What's the hidden cost? How do they make money? Whatever you're going to buy from Shoppers Drug Mart, you're going to pay the same. Pretty cool, right? That's essentially what they're saying. Getting started with Mednow, easy, quick, and secure sign up. In less than a few minutes, transfer your refills from your old pharmacy or snap a photo of your prescription. Less than a minute, app or by phone. Pretty cool, right? Transfer your prescriptions now. See how easy it is to transfer your prescriptions to Mednow Pharmacy. Always free delivery. Get real-time notifications on the status of your delivery. So you can actually get real-time notifications on your app on the status of your delivery. Mednow delivery team ensures contactless, fast, and secure same-day delivery in the Greater Toronto and Greater Vancouver areas. Next-day delivery for most of Ontario and British Columbia. Pretty cool. So they got same-day delivery and 1 to 3 days for all of Canada, depending on the area that you're in. Pharmacist support anywhere, anytime. I told you guys, this is the future. A pharmacist over the phone. Just like that. Just like that. And we'll take a look at the price, and you can see currently around $335. Now they have had some news. Mednow is now trading on the TSX Venture Exchange. Let's talk about some of their news. So on March 19th, they put out a news release saying Mednow advances national expansion through Manitoba. So this was the news on March 19th. Mednow, Canada's on-demand virtual pharmacy, is pleased to announce a significant operational milestone in advancing its national expansion strategy, Mednow has filed an application for a pharmacy license with the Manitoba College of Pharmacists through a wholly owned subsidiary, Mednow Pharmacy MB Limited. Upon successful application, this wholly owned entity will be a licensed pharmacy that will be regulated by the Manitoba College of Pharmacists, as well as provincial and federal regulatory bodies with oversight of pharmacy practices. In conjunction with the application, the company has appointed Carrie Lay as Director of Pharmacy Operations for Manitoba and Saskatchewan. Mr. Lay has over 15 years experience in pharmacy operations. We are rapidly advancing our national expansion strategy through our fulfillment centers in Ontario and British Columbia. We can service those two entire provinces and with same-day delivery in Greater Vancouver and Greater Toronto areas. Once our Manitoba fulfillment center is up and running, we will be adding another 2 provinces to our distribution platform. National coverage is imperative to our long-term success and our goal of becoming a household name in Canadian healthcare. Love it. Absolutely love it. Love what these guys are doing. Furthermore, a national presence will open the business-to-business market, whereby Mednow will be able to partner with employers and employee benefit providers to provide holistic healthcare solutions, said Kareem Nassar, CEO of Mednow. I'm going to read a little bit about Mednow. Mednow is a healthcare technology company offering virtual access with exceptional care. Designed with access and quality care in mind, Mednow.ca provides virtual pharmacy services with convenience and through an interdisciplinary approach to healthcare that is focused on the patient experience. Pharmacy services include free at-home delivery of medications, a user-friendly interface for easy upload, transfer, and refill of prescriptions, access to healthcare professionals through an intuitive chat experience, a specialized PillSmart system that packages prescriptions and vitamins by date and time, as well as access to telemedicine. Absolutely love these guys. Love what they're doing. And this is the new world. This is the new world that we're living in. Let's look at some more of their press releases. On March 12th, you can see that they engaged native ads for digital media services. So they are really looking to grow their awareness, which can be very bullish for the company. And in addition to that, you can see that on March 9th, Mednow started to begin trading on the Toronto Stock Venture Exchange under the symbol MNOW. And there was a letter to the shareholders. Let's just see what they had to say. The time is now to seize the opportunity to reimagine healthcare in Canada. Mednow's goal is to become a household name by improving access to healthcare through best-in-class service, proprietary technology, and enhanced delivery. Given the experience of our founders, we've taken a pharmacy-first approach to virtual healthcare. This is a pharmacy that will deliver to your door. Canadians have frequent interactions and place a great deal of trust in their pharmacists as proven business leaders in the 47 billion Canadian retail pharmacy industry. We are leveraging technology to create a superior and holistic patient experience that includes free, this is huge, free same-day delivery of medications, access to virtual pharmacists, telemedicine services, and medication adherence solutions such as our PillSmart system, which sorts out your medications in pouches marked by date and time. We established Mednow Pharmacy in September 2020 through fulfillment centers in Ontario and British Columbia, which respectively service the entire provinces with same-day delivery in both the Greater Toronto area and Greater Vancouver area. Our ambitions are to become a national service by adding new fulfillment centers and improving the patient experience from diagnosis to delivery through the development of a proprietary telemedicine service. Mednow is a very well capitalized, meaning they have money in the bank, to execute on its plans through significant support from investors. Mednow's sights are set on capturing a large market share through its differentiated offering, and we look forward to sharing new developments as we continue the rapid pace of development that we have already established. Now, this is the news that keeps rolling in. And what I want to do now is I want you guys to see, I'm going to go to TMX Money right here. I want you guys to see the share structure, because the share structure, wow, that's what got my attention. I love tight float stocks. These guys are a tight float stock, super tight float stock. And I love tight float stocks. So let's break it down. And the reason why I like tight float stocks is that means that there's less selling pressure in the security. Less selling pressure is one of the key ingredients to finding stocks that explode. We love finding stocks that are undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed. Well, you can't find a company more undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed than a company that's just getting started that no one's ever heard of. So that's really our modus operandi here at Rich TV Live. We want to bring you all the winners first. Look at the market cap. 73 million market cap. That's a baby market cap. Look at the share structure. 21 million shares issued and outstanding. That's right. 21 million shares issued and outstanding. To me, success leaves clues. They're in a sector that is growing. They're just getting started, so nobody knows. They've got money in the bank, well capitalized, and they've only got 21 million shares issued and outstanding. So super tight flow, just getting started, and with their business model, they've got a business that is going to grow in revenue. I love this business. I love this business model. I love this company, Mnow. And I'm not a shareholder currently, but if I do invest in this company, I will let you guys know. But these are the types of companies I like to invest in. So if you know me, you know that I'm very interested in these types of positions, very interested in these types of companies. Okay. Pharmacist support anywhere, anytime. Like I said, our pharmacists are here to support you by phone, text, or video call. We're just a click or call away. We can also connect you to a virtual doctor if needed. 24/7 pharmacy access. Unbelievable, guys. Absolutely unbelievable. So you may be wondering, how does Mednow Pharmacy get my prescriptions? There are many ways, easy ways. We transfer your refills from your old pharmacy. We can also contact your doctor or simply snap a photo of your prescription using our app. That's simple, guys. Is there any extra cost for delivery? No. This is huge. You won't pay more than your current pharmacy. Our experts will check to see if you can get any savings as well. Isn't that crazy? Imagine that. You're going to order and you're not going to pay anything more than Shoppers Drug Mart. And they might even give you savings. That's the future of Mednow. And that's the future of pharmaceuticals and prescriptions and medicine, telemedicine. The future is now with Mednow. How can I see a doctor online? And is there a cost? Book an appointment in minutes from the comfort of your own home. The service may be covered with your valid Ontario or British Columbia health card. What if I don't have a prescription? No problem. Through our telemedicine partners, we have a network of virtual physicians able to help a variety of health concerns through video consultation. Where clinically appropriate, our physicians may recommend a treatment plan and provide a prescription for your medical needs. Here's the phone number, folks. Do you have any questions? Speak with a pharmacist right now. Call us 1-800-1855-MEDNOW1. Simply call them at 1-855-MEDNOW1. And these are the locations in Toronto and in Vancouver with their phone number, and email yourcare@Mednow.ca. Let's take a look at some of the other press releases. So let's take a look at this. Success leaves clues, right? How about the money in the bank? Tight share structure, growing sector, money in the bank. Bingo, bingo, bingo. Mednow announces upsize closing of approximately 37 million. Initial public offering led by Gravatis Securities, 8 Capital, Stifel GMP, and subsequent listing on the TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol MNOW. This was on March 4th. So you can see the news just keeps coming and it's been rolling out. And these guys got money in the bank too. $37 million of it. Very impressive. So you can see here, Mednow Inc. is pleased to announce that it has closed its initial public offering of an aggregate of 5,492,325 units of the company at a price of $6.75 per unit. Wait a second. So you just raised 37 million at $6.75, and the stock is trading at 335, which means we can literally buy the stock for less than what they raised $37 million at. Interesting. I find that very interesting. Wow. Including 307,140 units sold in connection with the exercise of the agent's over-allotment option for aggregate proceeds of approximately 37,073,193.75. Each unit consists of one Class A common share of the company and 1/2 of one common share purchase warrant. Each warrant entitles the holder thereof to acquire one common share at an exercise price of $8.50 for a period of 24 months following March 4, 2021. Okay, so you're telling me that they raised 37 million at 675. The public can buy it right now for 335, and there's 21 million shares out there, and the warrants are at 850. Okay, you got my attention. You got my attention. The syndicate is led by Gravitas Securities, 8 Capital, Stifel, Nicholas Canada Inc., and includes Canaccord. I was wondering where Canaccord was. I was like, Canaccord's not involved? Canaccord's involved in all the deals in Canada. Canaccord, Genuity Corp, and Raymond James. The common shares are expected to commence trading on the TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol MNOW. Mednow is in excellent position to execute on its vision of becoming a household name by improving healthcare access through a focus on excellent service, proprietary technology, and enhanced delivery. In the near term, we will be adding fulfillment centers across the country with the goal of achieving national coverage across Canada. We'll be investing in a proprietary telemedicine service, and we will continue to invest in our technological platform to maximize the user experience. We're grateful for the support of our investors, and we are determined to provide value to consumers and shareholders as we grow Canada's on-demand virtual pharmacy, said Karim Nassar, CEO of Mednow. No securities regulatory authority has either approved or disapproved the contents of this news release. So please do your due diligence and do your research and speak to your financial advisor if you plan to invest in Mednow. Now let's look at the first press release. So previous to that, Mednow had a filing of a final prospectus of up to 35 million in their initial public offering, and then it actually increased to the 37 million. So there's a lot of interest in this company, and despite the fact that they've raised all that money at 675, the price right now is 335. Okay. So that means that we can pretty much buy the stock for half the price that they raised money with all the big funders. Okay. So I'm going to make a prediction right now. Now, I can't guarantee it, but I'm going to predict that this is going to go back over $7 in the future. I'm just going to make that prediction right now. So that means if you were to get in at 335, you'd have an opportunity, if this goes back to $7, which I believe it will, you'd have an opportunity to double your money. And it only has 21 million shares. And it's not really trading much volume at all, which means nobody even knows. Nobody's buying the stock yet. So the upside is absolutely tremendous, like tremendous from these prices, right? Let's just continue to go through this. So Mednow has accelerated development in 2020 to service the rapid adoption of digital healthcare. So you can see the timeline. In June of 2020, they raised 6.5 million in an oversubscribed Series A round. In August of 2020, the official app was released. In September of 2020, secured Ontario and British Columbia fulfillment centers. In October 2020, developed corporate and pharmacy team. In December of 2020, launched same-day delivery in Toronto and Vancouver. And in January of 2021, entered into strategic agreements to establish Mednow Telemedicine. And you can see the rapid delivery, same day and next day delivery, current fulfillment center service, all of British Columbia and Ontario, same day service in Greater Toronto and Greater Vancouver. So you can see the company intends to expand its service into additional provinces to scale nationally. So I'm going to make a prediction that these guys are going to be everywhere. So my goal and my prediction is that these guys will be everywhere in Canada, and their goal is going to be that they will be able to do same day delivery everywhere in Canada eventually. That would be pretty wild, right? So, which means you won't even have to go to Shoppers Drug Mart. You won't have to leave your home. You will not have to leave your home to go to Shoppers Drug Mart or Rexall or any other pharmacy. That's pretty huge, right? So you can see the Mednow application. You can go to their app at app.mednow.ca. You can see what it looks like. That's the interface. The improved landing for rapid RX and profile intake, making switching to Mednow easier, intuitive chat experience, and fully integrated online payment. So the Mednow ecosystem, an example from diagnosis to the prescription being delivered to the patient. The goal is that the patient always receives Mednow's holistic care every step of the way. An appointment is requested online through a third-party provider. Patient meets with the virtual doctor, script filled by Mednow Pharmacy, and Mednow delivers the prescription. That's simple. 4-step process, A, B, C, D. You got your prescription. Hey, Mark, how you doing, brother? Good to see you, my man. Unfortunately, they're not listed in America yet, but I promise you guys this. The second they're listed in America, I will let you know. Mednow is an all-in-one patient experience, diagnosis to delivery. So this is virtual or physical doctor, therapy adjustment, patient, digital pharmacy, remote patient monitoring, measured access with pharmacist supply and support, technological and professional collaborations, and delivery to your home and or office. One-stop shop, folks. It's the one-stop shop for all your patient needs, all your prescriptions, everything there. You need a doctor? We can get you on the phone. You need a prescription? You can order, and you could potentially, if you're in Toronto or Vancouver, get same-day delivery. Worst case scenario, 1 to 3 days, right? Industry-leading adherence system. Mednow's PillSmart trademark system helps improve medication adherence by organizing medications and vitamins by date and time in easy-to-use pouches at no additional cost to customers. It's pretty wild. Like, this is not costing you guys anything extra, but you're getting all these extra services. This is a game changer. I told you guys, I love disruptive technologies. I love to bring you undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed, disruptive technologies first. This is going to disrupt Shoppers Drug Mart. This is going to disrupt Rexall. This is going to disrupt all the pharmacies, because you will no longer have to walk into your Shoppers Drug Mart to get your prescriptions. Game changer. And with COVID-19 happening and people not wanting to leave their home as much now in 2021, this is the future. So medication adherence is one of the most important ways pharmacists can improve health outcomes. Ali Rayhani, registered pharmacist. So you can go to market strategy. Mednow has a strong customer acquisition plan for 2021 as the company scales nationally. So you can see in Q1 2021, which we just finished, brand awareness and user growth. And this is where we're at, folks. They're just getting their name out there. Right now we're in Q2, launch telemedicine service offering. Q3, national expansion of pharmacy. And Q4, national expansion of telemedicine. Why Mednow? Mednow has a proven management. The co-founders grew their previous venture to 150 million in revenue before securing a 30 million investment from Credit Mutual Equity, the private equity arm of the 5th largest bank in France. On-demand virtual pharmacy focused on building national infrastructure. See that? that will provide maximum value of patients and customers in the virtual and delivery-based healthcare sectors. Best-in-class holistic care offering, building a pharmacy-first offering supported with telemedicine provided by third-party service providers. All-in-one ecosystem. The future of the Mednow ecosystem will begin from the moment of a consumer speaks with a doctor to the prescription being filled by the on-demand virtual pharmacy and ending at the patient's desired place of delivery, either their home or their office. Those are just examples. You can get it sent anywhere you like. Mednow is in the news. You can see here, they've been talked about by B&M Bloomberg. What does B&M Bloomberg has to say? An online pharmacy and virtual health provider looking to improve Canada's health using technology and home delivery. So you can see they've been talked about on many platforms. Right here, it's one I like. Retail Insider says an all-encompassing virtual platform aims to disrupt Canada's pharmacy industry. Didn't I just say that? It's like they took the words right out of my mouth. And investments in digital healthcare and pharmacy. So you can see some of the companies that are focusing and investing in healthcare and pharmacy. And these are some of the companies that I've talked about, like Well Health, I talked about last week. Mednow is a Toronto-based. Mednow is a pharmacy in your pocket, offering an all-in-one patient experience from diagnosis to delivery. And they've raised $37 million in their IPO, which is huge. So that's Mednow. Love to know what you guys think. What do you guys think of Mednow? I'm a big fan. And as you can see, the stock is currently at $3.35 and still isn't even trading. I'm going to keep this on my watch list, keep them on my radar. Super tight float and a baby market cap. Only a 73 million market cap, 37 million of the bank, and only 21 million shares issued and outstanding. This is one of the tightest float stocks that we've talked about. And I think the sky's the limit for this company. I'm going to make a prediction that this is going to go up, I would say at least 100% in the future, because they just raised $37 million at $6.75, despite the fact the stock is at $3.35. Success leaves clues. I believe it goes back to that offering price, may or may not, but I believe it will because of the tight share structure. With only 21 million shares listed, issued, and outstanding, with a little bit of buying, I think this thing could be an absolute rocket. Love to know what you guys think. Do you guys agree with me? If you do, smash the like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere, and subscribe if you're live. This is your boy Rich from Rich to Be Live. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We bring in the winners, and we bring them to you first. Love MNOW, Mednow. Get your prescriptions same day in Toronto, in the greater Vancouver area as well. GVA in Vancouver, Toronto, GTA, greater Toronto area, same day, no additional cost. It's true. It's your boy Rich from Rich to Be Live, and I'm out. Peace. It's got to be a rocket. Don't you want to put this rocket in your pocket?